So once again, here in the mountains of Costa Rica, got a killer view for you guys here today with the Pacific coast there along behind me, and we're talking about this market crashing, right? So the market is coming down a bit. Like I always say, a great time to be buying up more coins, but I'm pretty sure that you guys get tired of hearing that, right? You see the market just keep going down, and I'm like, yeah, buy some more. You start to sound a little crazy. People start to understand that or think that the market is going to go into this bear market, or that just now is not the time to be getting into crypto, right? Those who invested a lot earlier aren't really taking much of a hit because they bought these coins at much lower prices, so these fluctuations aren't really affecting them as much. But for those that are newer to the market, yeah, man, like they're seeing their portfolio go down and down. Some of you guys have been in the red for months now and aren't really happy with the crypto market and aren't really seeing those gains that the crypto market has to offer. So you're probably sitting there asking yourself, well, if the market's going to continue going down, should I sell some of my coins now and then buy back in lower, right, to add to my portfolio, to grow the amount of those coins that you have, right? But here is the thing, right? When you are investing in, especially in crypto, okay, you have to look at probability, okay? When the probability of the market going down when it's up is a lot more likely than it to continue going up. In some cases, this applies. Don't take it with a grain of salt, okay? But what I'm trying to say is this: when the market is already down so much, the probability of that being the bottom, like by the time you're like, all right, well, it's been going down so much, I might as well sell now and buy back in lower. By the time you are saying that, by the time you actually made the move, you are literally making the bottom of the market, okay? Because the market moves based off of where retail investors, of where the people that don't know what they're doing, when they want to sell their coins, they see that everybody's selling, that's when the market goes up. And then the retail investor then buys when it goes up. And then when they see that everybody's buying, then they bring the market down. That's how it works, okay? That's why so many investors lose their money when it comes to crypto. So you want to front run that. You want to be aware of that, okay? When the market is going down and down and down, you don't want to be the one selling. You want to be the one buying, okay? The smart investors, the big institutional investors, the big money is buying when the market is going down. Always keep that in mind, okay? When the market is going up, certain times of the market, dollar cost averaging in, letting the market breathe, letting the market go up, and those portfolios and those investments really grow, maybe taking some profits off the table, right? Shaving off some profits if that is what goes in line with your investment plan and your investment strategy. Beautiful, right? Go ahead. But when, like, for example, I was telling my Patreon group that I'm expecting the market to crash for the longest time, probably like a month or 2 months, right? And we finally saw that crash, right? We're in it right now, okay? We went down some, consolidated a bit, went up a bit, and then we went down some more, okay? Could we continue going down? Yes. Could this be the bottom when we go up? Yes. Welcome to crypto, guys. It's one of those markets that you just can't pinpoint, say, oh, we're for sure going up or we're for sure going down, okay? I told my patrons, I told my people that we were going to see that market crash, okay? And we went up to 52,000, right? Bitcoin got up to 52K, and then we saw that crash, right? By the time we were cleared above 51, but when we were reaching 52, I was feeling bullish, right? That's what the market loves to, goddamn B. That's what the market loves to, fuck off. That's what the market loves to do, okay? It will make you feel bullish. It'll see that everybody's buying up their coins, everybody's buying, and then they'll bring it down, okay? Once you feel bearish, once you're like, oh shit, this market's going down, like I gotta sell some of my coins. Once you start making those moves, you as the retail investor, you are creating the bottom at that moment. You are creating the bottom. You are letting the market makers know that, hey, look, I think that this is the bottom. I think that we're gonna keep going down. And once they know that you're thinking something, that you think the market's going to continue going down or think the market's going to go up, they'll make it go in the opposite direction every single time. So what should you do, right, in these moments, okay? Keep this in mind. The prices that we're seeing right now with these coins are great prices to buy in at, okay? I've always said, like, if Theta was $10, I would say buy. Theta at $10 is a huge buy. It's a little over $5 right now. Half price of a price that I would say is a good price to buy. Like, very low prices. Yes, can the market go down some more? Awesome, sure. But that's why you want to have passive income. That's why income is so important, because whether the market's going up or down, like, you're not really fazed by it because you're adding to that portfolio, you're growing that portfolio, you're seeing that growth on a week by week, month by month basis, however it is that you're dollar cost averaging into the market, okay? But income is key. Income is key, right? You want to build that passive income. With that money, obviously, be dollar cost averaging in. When the market's going down, you're not stressed out about it. The point is to never be stressed out in these markets, right? You want to completely eliminate your feelings when it comes to investing in any market, especially crypto, okay? So when you see that your investments are taking off, that your portfolio is growing, if you want to decide to take some profits along the way, nothing wrong with that, okay? If you want to maximize profits, then you're looking to sell a big chunk at the very end, right? That would be the way to maximize profits. Obviously, there's more risk because you're trying to catch a peak of something that it's such a short window. But if you're dollar cost averaging out on the way up, right? If you're selling your investments and your assets on the way up, you're able to consolidate, right? Take a lot of profits, but do it in a safe and smart way, okay? For those that are newer to the market, that's what I would recommend. For those that are, a bit more on the riskier side and you just want to, it's all or nothing, right? Then go ahead and wait for the very peak of the market to go ahead and sell all your crypto, man. It's completely up to you. Again, none of this is financial advice. I mean, I'm just a guy on YouTube. Take that for what it's worth. Always do your own research, okay? If you guys want to sign up for one-on-one mentorship with me, you can through the Patreon link in the description below. And you can also join my community of like-minded investors that are trying to achieve financial freedom through a multitude of investment opportunities and investment platforms, okay? Guys, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications turned on, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.